So, welcome to this video. Macaulay is laughing because there was a bug which I yeeted out of the window and then it came right back at me. Yeah, so welcome to this video, people. This is a Suffolk sunset just outside of Stowmarket by the old pillbox up here. Now, I'm still recovering from my leg injury. There it is. God, it went. Yes, I'm still recovering from my leg injury. So I had to stay in the car and I just flew the drone off the roof. So thank you for the taking off pad. Link to Macaulay's Instagram and YouTube now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh god, it's the first time saying it.
Yeah, it's the first time I can say it. Link to both of them in the description below. Just go check it out. And yeah, we'll jump into the video.